Hello viewers, Amanda Inta here, your tour guide of... Hello viewers, and welcome to my job, Applebees. I will be your tour guide, Amanda Inza. So let's see what I have to offer. I work at the Applebees located in Hackettstown, New Jersey. As you can see on the map, we are a part of Warren County in Northwest. As you can see on the map, we are a part of Warren County in Northwest New Jersey. We are owned and operated by Doherty Enterprises. Their motto is building restaurants, communities, and careers one wow at a time, which is something we strictly follow at the Applebee's I work at. So what do I do as a server? My duty is to provide customer service to customers. More specifically, I take food and drink orders. So what do I do as a server? My duty is to provide customer service to customers. Duh. More specifically, though, I take food and drink orders, serve food and drinks, carry out patron requests, am knowledgeable of the food and drink menu, assist with food preparation in the kitchen, bus tables on the floor, and serve using the computer system to ring up orders and process payments. So let's take a look at the front of the house layout. As you can see, this chart shows where all the tables are in the front of the house. So let's go with our first section. These are tables 11 through 15 and 21 through 24. From this picture, the booths are 11 through 15 and the tables are 21 through 24. Our next section consists of tables 31 to 34, 41 to 44, and 71 to 74. On the left-hand side, you see the tables, which are the 70s. And on the right-hand side, in this picture, the picture on the left shows tables 71 through 74. The picture on the right shows the booths, which are 31 through 34, and the tables, which are 41 through 44. Our next section consists of 16, 17, 91 through 95, and 81 through 84. Now, it was kind of hard to get pictures of this section since it's kind of close together, but the booths on the right-hand side are the 90s, the tables on the left are the 80s, and the big booth all the way in the back and the one to the left of it is 16 and 17. The next section includes the tables at the bar area. On the left, we have tables 51 through 56, and on the right, we have 61 through 64. On the left, we have tables 51 through 56. On the left, we have tables 51 through 56, and at 51 you can see my lovely coworkers. And on the right-hand side, we have booths 61 through 65. Now let's take a look at the bar area. We have 20 seats at the bar, which are 101 through 120. On the left, we see the first chair is 101, and then it works its way around to the back, which you can see on the right-hand side. And this goes all the way around to chair 120. At the front of the restaurant at the host stand, our host has this chart. This shows how many servers are on, what plan we are, and what server has what section. For example, on this day, we were on a 5 plan, which means there's 5 servers on the floor. I was server number 5, so I had the pink highlighted section, which I outlined for you in yellow. This means I had tables 92 through 95, 83, 84, 73, and 74. This helps the host keep track of what tables are sat and to make sure we're fair with rotating customers being sat. Let's take a look at the back of the house. Now, I wasn't able to get many pictures of the back of the house, but when we walk in the back, on the right-hand side you see the expo line, which is where our finished food is prepped to be served, and on the left-hand side is our bev area. This is where we can get iced tea, coffee, hot tea, all fountain drinks, and water, and ice. And all other beverages like lemonade and all alcoholic beverages are from behind the bar. This is our bev area where we can also get to-go containers and where Carside takes care of. This is where we can also get This is also where we can get to-go containers and where Carside preps their to-go food to bring out to the customers. On our back bulletin board, we have all different types of things to keep up on. We have our most recent ticket times of the week, our craft beers, our standards for when we get ABA visits, where we hand in our 10-point check system, where we hand in our 10-point station check, which I will get to, and other things like good responses to our, and other things like good responses to our surveys that customers have taken. On the left, you can see our rough copy of our work schedule posted in the back. To the left-hand side is our current week. In the picture on the left-hand side, you can see that we have the current week and next week's schedule. Again, these are just rough copies because people tend to give up shifts and cover shifts. On the right-hand side is a screenshot of my staff link. These will be my shifts for the rest of the week this week. And this is where I can give up a shift and have it requested to be covered, or I can pick up other people's shifts. Let's get to side work, every server's favorite part of the shift. When you're an opener, you do a 10-point station check. A 10-point station check covers that. A 10-point station check covers. A 10-point station check ensures that server sections are all tidy and ready for when customers start to come in. Our 10 points are that our tabletops are cleaned, our table base is cleaned, the chairs, seats, and backs of the legs are cleaned, the window sills, ledges, and pictures and frames are cleaned, our window treatments are cleaned, our hanging lights are cleaned and are hanging over the table, our tabletop caddy is present, clean and current pop, which I will get to, salt, pepper, sugar caddy clean and full, ketchup bottle cleaned and not empty, and floor cleaned and free of debris. Once we have completed this, we check it all off and sign our name and hand it in. Here is our caddy, and what the description meant by to current pop was that all our posters are in the right order, our ketchup is full and cleaned, our sugars have 5 yellow, 5 pink, and full on the white, and that our salt and pepper shakers are full and in the correct order. It is very important that the white salt pepper shaker is always on the right. For blind people, it's white on the right so they don't mix up their salt and pepper. Here is our service chart. Here is our guest ready service chart. Depending on what shift you are and if you're an opener or closer on the shift, will determine your side work. So on this day, I was beverage and coffee. So on this day, I had beverage and coffee side work, which I will get to. If you're on side stands, you must make sure that your side stands are completely stocked with all condiments and that your napkins are completely folded and we have enough for the shift coming in after us. You also have to make sure that the area around the POS systems are completely neat. If you're on bev area, you must make sure it is stocked and tidy. This means that our glasses are completely stocked, no more than 3 high, Our coffee is made, our iced tea is made, our to-go cups are completely stocked, and we have enough ice at all times. Every server has to wrap silverware. The way we do it at our Applebee's is you have to wrap at least 10% of the sales you had that day. But if we're really busy, it's just common courtesy to wrap as many as you can. Moving on to our point of sale systems. This is something that every worker in Applebee's has to know. This is where we make transactions. This is where we put in food and drink orders and close out payments, keep track of our sales, clock in and out, and all that other good stuff. So, for example, in this video, you will see me clocking in. I swipe my card, click clock in, server. Since I was early, my manager has to clear it, so I was unable to sign in. But when that happens, you go to your manager, you get their swipe, and then you clock in, choose your section, and you're ready to go. Once you're clocked in and with your section, this is the screen that pops up. So as you can see, I had tables 92 through 95, 83, 84, 73, and 74. You can also change your section by going to Other menu and change section. Another part of our POS system are these new things we call the TEDs. This is where customers at tables can refill drinks, they can order an appetizer or dessert, they can pay their check if they are paying with a card, and they can even play some games. So one thing we always have to remember is when we're in our section to sign into our TEDs by swiping our card so we know that that table is ours. So let's take a look. And as you can see, it says I'm logged in and ready to go. So that's what Applebee's in Hackettstown has to offer. So we hope you come visit us. So that's just some of the many things that Applebee's in Hackettstown has. So that's just some of the many components of Applebee's in Hackettstown So that's just some of the many great components of Applebee's in Hackettstown. We hope you come visit us soon. Thanks, guys.